Hi and welcome to another quick tip tutorial with Next Paradigm. Today I'm going to talk about the quickest and easiest way to make smooth lower thirds in Adobe After Effects. So let's get towards the After Effects. As usual, I'm going to make a new composition of a standard size of 1920 by 1080 pixels. Select 25 frames per second. Also, adjust the time and color and hit OK. Make a new black solid layer for the background. Select the type tool and type in the text that you want. I'm typing Next Paradigm. I'm using Poppin's extra bold font. Make sure that it is nice and in standard looking size is big. Also align anchor point to the center of the screen. Align the text to the center of the screen in the Align panel. Now grab the rectangle tool. Before that, make sure that the text is not selected. Draw a box like that over the text. Put this shape layer under the text. Set the fill color to white. Also, make sure that the shape layer is aligned in the center. Also change the color of the text to dark gray. Now select the shape layer and grab the rectangle tool. After taking the rectangle tool, click on the icon that is Tool Creates Mask. And draw a mask like this that is before the text. Duplicate this newly created mask by hitting Ctrl and D. And move this second mask to the other side of the screen. Now select the layer and click on M to reveal the mask path of this layer. Add a keyframe at the beginning of the composition. Before moving forward, make sure in the screen setting Action/Safe Screen is selected. Make it exact at the center at the cross point. Move forward to 1 second. And also move the first mask left sides to the entree of the text. You can select them by holding Shift and clicking on them. Now go to the second mask and also do the same for this. Grab the text side 2 points to the CE. After that, change the setting from No Matte to Alpha Track Matte. Also, change the fill of shape layer to black. Then duplicate the shape layer. Bring this layer under all the layers. Change the fill of duplicated layer back to white. Also, make sure that the newly created shape layer is set to none. Also, offset the first 2 layers to something about 20 frames. Select more bright colors for the text. I'm selecting pink color. Now duplicate the first 2 layers again. Select the shape layer 3 to black. And offset both layers to something 20 frames more. Now duplicate the shape of layer 2 and paste it above all the layers. Select the color of text for this layer, that is pink. Reveal the mask path of shape layer 4 by hitting M. Go to the second frame and move both mask outer sides to the center. Now we have a well-looking animation. To make it better looking and modern, just after the pink boxes close, hit Ctrl, Shift, and D to split the layer and delete the last big layer. Now if you want to add subtitles, take the text tool and type the text that you want. And also select the light font. Move this to under all the layers. Also, center this to the center of the screen. At the point where the pink is at a suitable position, add a keyframe on position. Move forward some frames and down the position of the subtitle. Also ease the last keyframe by hitting F9. So now we have this very nice animation. To reverse this layer, select all the layers and pre-compose them. Rename it to first and hit OK. Split the layer by hitting Ctrl, Shift, and D at the same time. Now duplicate the layer. Right-click on it, go to Time, and then Time Reverse Layer. Also, move it after the first. To move this to the best position, open Pre-composition. Then go to Layer and create a new null object. Select all the layers. Pick the whip and drop it over the null object. Now you can hit P and S on the null object and move this to the position where you want your lower third. Also, turn on motion blur for all the layers to have more smoothness in the animation. That's all for this animation. The animation is super smooth and well looking. Don't forget to like the video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel and also watch other lessons related to After Effects.